I wanted to show you this beautiful Renaissance garden here at the Leonardo da Vinci house, which is right up there on the hill. And you will see a number of different types of bridges that were conceived by Leonardo da Vinci. And what's really interesting here is they have built in these this fog feature that's coming out of the water here. It's really kind of interesting. Gives it a very special effect, and all this complex here is part of the Leonardo da Vinci house. I'm going to take you through now to the other side of this gate here, where there's a little hospitality area, a little cafe. Let's have a look at that. See? Nice cafe area right here. Very nicely done. Stables, a water wheel, and of course the Mona Lisa. You see some more machines by Leonardo da Vinci. A wheel here, as you can see. Very interesting. Leonardo da Vinci in France. There you go.